Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you the best step tracker app in the market. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Activity Tracker app. This app is completely free. So download it and open the app right now. In the home screen you'll see a step counter. How much calorie you have burned, how much distance you have covered, and your duration. At the bottom of the screen you can see the weekdays. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Here you can set your weekly targets. You can change the unit of measurement. Update your personal profile. I'll just quickly update it right now. These informations helps calculate how much calorie you have burned and how much distance you have covered. You can also change the sensitivity. I'll set it to medium. You can change your notifications preferences. You can customize the main notification bar. And you can also customize the widget. So try this app today. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.